think I heard mostly yeses, and that is wonderful. And if you did say no, that's okay. I'll send you some love. Okay, today we are going to practice some sight words, and of course, you know we have to do some Disney Doorables. You know it. I love it. And of course, we're going to do some Encanto Disney Doorables today with our sight words. So, you will need your helper, which is the grown-up that's with you, to help you get your supplies. All you need are these 9 words. You could have them on a note card, a Post-it note, piece of paper, whatever you have will work. Okay, so these are the words we're going to practice. Were, may, word, number, way, should, would, could, into. Those are the words we're going to practice. So go ahead and have your helper, get your supplies, and meet me back here so we can check our schedule. Okay, friends, let's check our schedule. We only have one job today. We are going to practice matching those sight words, and figuring out which Encanto characters are in those eggs. And when we get to the star, you know we'll be all done. So let's go. Okay, friends, let's get started. Make sure you have your sight words out in front of you. And here we go. Our first word is, look at your words. What word? Oh, good looking. Did you find way? Way. Okay, let's see who is in way. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's Antonio. Oh my gosh, he looks so cute. Okay, and then look, we have our handy dandy little sheet, that we get from our Doorables packages. Okay, so here we go. Yep, there he is. Antonio. Awesome. Okay, let's see what's next. And our next word is, okay, look at this word. This one's kind of a big word. Okay, look at your words. Oh, nice job. Did you find should? Should. Like, we should open this egg and see which Encanto character is next. Okay, let's do it. Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness. It's Bruno. We don't talk about Bruno. Okay, but let's see. Oh, yep, there he is. I like all his colors, and he's very sparkly. So fun. Okay, but I can't talk about him, so let's hurry and skip to the next Encanto figure. Let's go. And the next one is, now this word looks very similar to the last word we had. Okay, look at your words. What word? Oh, awesome. Did you find wood? Wood. Now, this is not the type of wood that you get from a tree. That is spelled differently. That's W-O-O-D. This is wood, like would you like to open this egg? Yes, I would. Let's do it. Okay, here we go. Okay. Oh, yeah, we've got Peppa. Okay, let's see. Where is she at? Oh, there she is. Oh, my gosh, she's so cute. I love her little glittery dress. Oh, I love it. Okay, let's see who's next. Next word is, okay, look at your words. What word? Oh, nice job. Did you find may? May. Okay, may I open this? Yes, you may. Okay, here, let's do it. Here we go. Who do we got? Who do we got? Yes, we got Mirabelle. Oh my goodness, look how cute she is. I love her little green glasses. They are just adorable. So cute. Haha, get it? Adorable. Okay, sorry. Anyways, let's see who's next. Okay, next one. Okay, look at your words. What word? Oh, awesome. Did you find word? Word. That's kind of a tricky one, and it's not one you normally think about with sight words, but we got to know how to spell the word word. It's kind of silly. Okay, let's see who's in word. Let's see. Here we go. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's Camilo. Oh, look, here he is right here. Camilo. Oh my goodness. I hope he doesn't start shape-shifting on us. Camilo. Silly Camilo. Okay, let's see who's next. Okay, next word. Oh my goodness, look at that. We have that same ending again. Okay, friends, look at your words. What word? Oh, did you find could? Could. Nice. Okay, Could you open this? Why, yes, we could. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Who is it? Aw, Mirabelle's mommy, Julieta. Let's see, where is she? Oh, yep, there she is. And look, she's got her healing biscuits right there. Love it. All right, let's see who's next. Okay, next word. Ooh, look at your words. What word? Oh, good looking. Did you find into? Into. Oh, that's a cool word too, because look, in, to, put them together, into. Oh, so cool. Some words are just pretty awesome like that. Okay, let's see who is in into. Let's see. Who is it? Who is it? Oh, yeah, we got Isabella. Okay. Oh, look, she's got a flower. Of course she does. Oh, my goodness. And I like her little hair, her sparkly dress. Oh, and then here she is on our little check sheet. Awesome. Okay, let's see who's next. And the next one is, ooh, okay, look at your words. What word? Oh, awesome. Did you find were? Were. Yes. Okay, we were going to open this. Haha, just kidding. We are going to open it. All right, let's see. Who is in were? Oh, yes. It's Louisa. Oh, my goodness. I love her. She's so strong and so cool. And I love her song in there. Oh, my goodness. Okay, and there she is. Louisa. Oh, my gosh. I just love it. And look, she's got her cute little bow. Awesome. Showing those muscles. Yeah. Okay, let's see who the last one is. Okay, last word. Ooh, this is a big word. Okay, look at your words. What word? Oh, good looking. Did you find number? Number. Oh, awesome. This is another word, kind of like the word word, where you don't really think of this as like kind of a sight word, but it's just a word you need to know to be able to write numbers, or if you're reading directions in math. And Mrs. Huey just opened the egg. Okay, got it. Oh, yes. And look right here. We've got Cousin Dolores. Oh, my goodness. Look at her. She's so, so cute. And I love her big old bow with her awesome hair. Love, love, love. Okay, friends. Let's check out all of the characters together. And here we go. We have our whole Madrigal family. Oh, my goodness. We have Isabella and Louisa and Mirabelle and Julieta and Bruno. Shh, don't talk about him. And then Camilo and Antonio and Peppa and Cousin Dolores. Oh my goodness, friends, that was awesome. You should be so proud of yourselves reading all of those sight words. Okay, let's check our schedule.
Check schedule!
Woohoo! That was so fun. Of course you know I love Encanto and Disney Doorables, so that was an extra fun job for me personally. But we got to practice those sight words, and I think my favorite, it's hard to pick. I really love Louisa, but I also really like Bruno. I like a lot. I like them all. I can't decide. Okay, who was your favorite? Whoa! Okay, we can't talk about Bruno, okay? So many people said Bruno. Okay, we can't talk about him. Okay, let's check that off. Ready, check. Okay, oh, and look at that. We made it to the star. You know what that means. We are all done. Big heart for you, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you can learn with Mrs. Huey. Bye.
It's Huey time. Bye.